Today we're doing a review on Tactacam. This one right here is the Solo. This is non-Wi-Fi. It's simple. The reason I wanted this one is because I don't want him having to worry about what he's recording. I just want him to, or what he's doing for the hunt. All he has to do is hit record, and that's it. Not worry about anything else. He can hunt, not have to worry about this, and this is just what I want. Maybe after a little bit, when he gets a little more used to it, we'll get him a better camera. You know what, like a 5.0. But right now, this is the one I really wanted. Like I said, no Wi-Fi. I think we got this one for around $100, I think. So, but like I said, we're going to show you this one. This one was filmed in 1080. I'll show you how it gets put on and everything. The Tactacam comes with many mounts. This is a bow mount. It goes with your stabilizers. You get screwed in. You use an Allen wrench and put this in here, and then the camera slides right in there, and you tighten it underneath here, and that's it. So it's real simple. Tactacam has a lot of different mounts. They're really great. I'm really looking forward to this product this year, because the only reason we never filmed hunts before is because I was so worried about where to put everything, and this is a really great system so far. I just really can't wait to use it. So like I said, many different mounts. You have to check them out. We'll be doing videos on a lot of them. But this, like I said, this is one for the Tactacam Solo.
Now all I'm going to do is hit record. When it vibrates, that means it's on. And when you see the blinking light, it's recording.
Now in the video we were comparing between the GoPro and that, he was pretty shaky, but he wouldn't be that way when he was hunting, because he wouldn't be moving as much. But we really wanted to show how it zoomed in closer. And so we're going to do another video now to show, you know, a little more steady. The newer Tactacams do take away some of that wobble, but overall, I do think that this the Solo is a good entry-level camera. And when you want to upgrade with better film and better zoom, upgrade to it like the 5.0. Like I said, we're going to be doing a video on that shortly, so watch for that one. Be sure to subscribe to our page and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest to get more additional content.